Do you want to know how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account? So let's go through it. It's super easy. So go to your Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top corner. This is going to bring you to your settings and all these things. So you want to go to your account center and then scroll down to manage accounts, and then go ahead and pick the account that you want to temporarily deactivate. Go ahead and hit manage, and you're going to have an option here for deletion or deactivation. Go ahead and click that, and you want to stay on deactivate account. Deleting is not what you want. It will permanently delete your account, which means you'll lose everything. Deactivating is just temporary, so go ahead and hit continue. Once it's loaded up, this is just going to show you what you're going to be losing access to, all of your page's stats and all this stuff. From this point, you just want to go ahead and add your password in, and then from that point, it will ask you to confirm once more to deactivating your account, and it's very easy to turn it back on. All you have to do is log into your Instagram account, and your account will be reactivated, and you can use it as normal.